Hello and welcome once again to my channel. Let's practice some articles for our English Olympiad exams. This practice session is specially for our class 2 students. So students, let's get started. Section A. Direction for question 1 to 15 is choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. The first sentence is my uncle owns dash cafe. What word will come over here? A, and, the or no article is required in this sentence. Which option is correct? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? It is option A. My uncle owns a cafe. Next sentence. I need dash onion and dash tomatoes for my burger. Which word will come over here? There are two words you have to fill in these blanks. Is it option A? Is it option B? Is it option C? Or is it option D? Which word should come over here? A, an, a, and, the, Which word will come in these two blanks? Which words will come in these two blanks? Look at the sentence carefully. Look at the option. It is option B. I need an onion and a tomato for my burger. Next sentence. Dash vulture was flying in the sky. A, and, the, no article. Which word will come in this blank? A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? Which option is correct? It is option A. A vulture was flying in the sky. Okay, next sentence. My grandmother reads Bhagavad Gita daily. Which word will come over here in this blank? A, and, the or no article is required. Look at the sentence. Which option is correct? Which word will come over here? Which word will come in front of Bhagavad Gita? Which word will come? It is option C, the. My grandmother reads the Bhagavad Gita daily. Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. It says, my brother bought dash mobile phone for me. Which word will come over here? A, and, the or no article is required. Look at the sentence. Look at your option. Which word will come over here? It is option A. My brother brought a mobile phone for me. Next, there is dash hospital near the park. A, and, the or no article is required in this sentence. Look at the sentence and look at your option. Which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Which word should go in the blank? It is option A. There is a hospital near the park. Next sentence. This is so spicy. I need dash ice cream. Which word will come over here? A, and, the or no article is required in the sentence. Look carefully. Look at the option. Look at the sentence. Which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Which word will come over here? Look carefully. It is option B. This is so spicy. I need an ice cream. Okay, next sentence. I want to see dash Taj Mahal. A, and, the or no article. What word will come over here? I want to see. Yes, it is option C. I want to see the Taj Mahal. Next sentence. The honesty is dash honesty is dash best policy. Which two words will come over here? And, the, no article a, no article the. Look at the sentence and look at your option. It's very easy, you'll be able to do it. It is option C. Here you don't need an article. Here you need the word the. So sentence will be honesty is the best policy. Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. It says dash girl who won the match was my friend. Is it your option a and the, no article? Which word will come over here out of these four options? It is option C. The girl who won the match was my friend. Okay, next one. Have you ever been to dash Shimla? Which word will come over here? A and the or no article? Look at the sentence carefully. Look at your options. You'll be able to do it. It's very easy. It is option D. No article is required in the sentence. The sentence is, have you ever been to Shimla? No article required. Next one. These chairs are made from dash iron. A and the or no article. Which word will come over here? Option A, B, C, D. Which one? Look at the sentence. Look at your option and choose the correct answer. No article is required in the sentence. Nothing should come over here. The sentence is, these chairs are made from iron. That's it. No article required in this sentence. Next sentence. Finally, the game came to dash end. Now, what word will come over here? A and the or no article is required in this sentence. Which one? A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? It is option B. Finally, the game came to an end. Okay. Next sentence. Dash Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was kind and good. Which word will come over here? A and the or no article? It is no article, option D. The sentence should be Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was kind and good. No article required in this sentence. Okay. Let's move on to the next sentence. The ball is under dash sofa. A and the or no article required. Which word will come over here? Look at your option. Look at your sentence. Which word will come over here? It's easy. I know you'll be able to do it. And you got the right answer. The ball is under the sofa. Option C. Okay kids, we have reached question 16. Now for 16 to 20, your instruction is identify whether the article given in bold is used correctly or not. If it is not used correctly, mark option D as your answer. Now you have to see the article given in bold. Okay, I will explain you what exactly you are supposed to do. See, look at the sentence 16. It says Shalini is the excellent dancer. Now here article which is given in bold is the. You need to find out whether this sentence is correct or this the has to be replaced by any of these options. And if the sentence is correct, you need to choose your option D, which says no change. And if it requires any change, you need to choose your other option. Okay. Okay, let's start. Shalini is the excellent dancer. So, do we need to change this word the with a and or no article is required or no change is required? Look at your sentence. It is option B. Yes, we have to change this the. It is Shalini is an excellent dancer. Okay, we have to change it. Okay, next sentence. Look at a cat sitting near the window. Here a is in bold. So do we need to change this with and the or no article change is required? No changes required. Look at the sentence. Is this sentence correct or do we need to change a is wrong? Okay, Your option is option B. We have to change it. Instead of it should be the. Look at the cat sitting near the window. Next sentence. The Beauty and the Beast. Here bold letter word is the. So do we need to replace this the? Is it required or is it okay? Or no article is required or no change is required, or do we need to replace it? Which option is correct? For 18? For 18? It is no change is required. Option D. The Beauty and the Beast is a perfect sentence. No change is required at all. Okay, moving on to the next sentence. I met a French person at the restaurant. Here letter in bold is a. Do we need to replace it with an, the, or no article is required in this sentence, or no change is required? Look at the sentence and choose your option. A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? It is no change required. Option D. Okay. It is a perfect sentence. Okay. Next sentence. The Taj Mahal is located on the bank of river Yamuna. Here we have two bold letters. The. So do we have to replace it with the, and the, or no change is required? Look at your sentence. Look at your option. And choose your option correctly. Which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? It is option D. No change is required. The Taj Mahal is located on the bank of the river of river Yamuna. Perfect sentence. No change is required. Next sentence. Next question. From 21 to 30, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Now I'll tell you what you have to do in this. This is a small passage is given, and you can see these blank spaces are also given in this passage, and also they are numbered. In every blank space there is a number. 21, 22 till 30 we have numbers. For each number you have been given 4 options over here. Look at these. These are the 4 options which you have been given for each number. Now you have to read the sentence, and then you have to put the correct word. For 21, see, you have to select the word from here, these 4 options, and you have to put it over here. So let's get started. One day Mia dash monkey. Now which option will come over here? A and the, no article. Mia is the name of the monkey. Okay, so it will be option C. One day Mia the monkey. The will come over here. Okay, next word. One day Mia the monkey woke up early in dash morning. Early in dash morning. What should the word come? Early in the morning. Let's put it over here and see if it's correct, sounds correct or not. Okay. Early in the morning. She wanted to explore dash jungle. Which word will come over here? For 23, your option are, she wanted to explore the jungle. Let's put the over here. Okay. She climbed down from dash tall tree. She climbed down from. She climbed on from. She climbed on from a tall tree. Option A. She climbed on from a tall tree. Okay. And saw dash colorful parrots sitting on a branch. And saw, what option are here? And saw a colorful parrot. So we're going to put a over here. And saw a colorful parrot sitting on a branch. Okay, next. Where are you going? Asked dash parrot. For 26 we have, where are you going? Asked the parrot. Option C. Okay. Then I am going to look for dash river, said Mia. What word will come over here in place of 27? I'm going to look for a river. Option A. Okay. As Mia walked, she met dash elephant drinking water. 28. Your option are met an elephant. Option B. She met an elephant. Okay. Drinking water. She asked, have you seen dash river? It is 29. For 29 your option are, it will be C. Have you seen the river? Okay. The elephant pointed with his trunk and said, it's near dash big rock. For 30, what option? Big rock. It's near a big rock. Okay. Okay, Mia followed the elephant's advice and soon found the river. She was happy and splashed in the cool water. Now I'm going to read this paragraph once again for you so that you understand it better. One day Mia, the monkey, woke up early in the morning. She wanted to explore the jungle. She climbed down from a tall tree and saw a colorful parrot sitting on a branch. Where are you going? Asked the parrot. I'm going to look for a river, said Mia. As Mia walked, she met an elephant drinking water. She asked, have you seen the river? The elephant pointed with his trunk and said, it's near a big rock. Mia followed the elephant's advice and soon found the river. She was happy and splashed in the cool water. Okay. So we have finished the passage and we have also reached our achiever section. So let's quickly solve our achiever section. Okay. For question 31 to 35, choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Your 31st sentence, Jennifer had read dash Bible several times. Which word will come over here? A, and, the, or no article? Which word will come over here? A, B, C, D. Which option is correct? It is option C. Jennifer had read the Bible several times. Okay, moving on to the next sentence. My mother made dash sandwich for me. I ate dash sandwich. Now which two word will come over here? The, no article, no article, the, Which words will come over here? Look at the sentence. It's easy, you'll be able to do it. It is option C. My mother made a sandwich for me. I ate the sandwich. Okay. Let's move on to the next sentence. Sentence 33. Dash brave soldier lost an arm in the war. Which word will come in this blank? Is it a, is it an, is it the, or no article is required in this sentence? It is option C. The brave soldier lost an arm in the war. Next sentence. Give me dash largest egg from the basket. Which word will come over here? A, an, the, or no article is required in this sentence? Look at the sentence, look at the option. It is very easy and it is option C. Give me the largest egg from the basket. Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. It says, which is the last sentence also, dash flowers in the garden are beautiful. A and the no article. What word will come over here? Easy, easy, easy. What word will come over here? The flowers in the garden are beautiful. Option C. So kids, we have reached the end of our sample paper solution. I request all of you to keep practicing in order to get good marks in your next Olympiad exam. If you like this video, do follow our channel for more such videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have fun.